Class 1, Bible Lesson 1. In the beginning, long, long ago, there were no boys or girls. There were no mothers or fathers. There was no earth with rivers and trees. No one was there but God. God has always been. God will always be. There is God the Father. There is God the Son. We call him Jesus. And there is God, the Holy Spirit. There is one God, but three persons. The God family is a little like our families. A family is one, but there are different people in the family. There is a father and a mother, and there are children. God made many angels to live with him in heaven and to walk with him. He made this world and put people in it. God wanted angels and people to be his friends. Memory verse. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.